Oh my gosh.
Did you taste it yet?
There's a Hello Kitty theme park.
Is it hot?
Smells good.
Dad, are you coming right now?
Want to taste?
No,
It's good.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. He just ate it.
Ew.
Here, have some?
Let Nana try it, Luke.
Actually, it does taste like chicken. I know.
Pass the plate over to Nana. Bye. Bye, honey. Thanks for all your help this weekend.
It's okay.
Bye.
Really, I can't eat anymore now. You gonna turn into a prince? Oh yeah. Not that enough.
It's not?
Chewy now. Don't fool.
Steven, want to taste it?
Hell no.
Good, isn't it?